Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PM2 Process Manager on VPS for Node apps, full guide step by step clearly. To activate PM2 Process Manager on a VPS for Node apps, first, connect to your VPS using SSH. Use the command SSH your username at your VPS IP. Once connected, ensure your system is up to date by running sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade. Next, you will need to install node.js if you haven't already. You can do this by executing the command curl slhttps://deb.nodesource.com/setup_14. Then, install node.js with the command sudo apt-get install ynodages. Now that node.js is installed, confirm the installation by checking the version with Node v. Next, you will need to install PM2 globally. Run the command sudo npm install PM2g. After PM2 is installed, check the version to confirm it was installed correctly using PM2v. To start your Node application with PM2, navigate to your apps directory using cd/path/to/your/app. Once in the app directory, you can start your Node app by executing PM2 start app.js. Replace app.js with the entry point of your application if it is different. To ensure PM2 restarts your application on server reboot, run the command PM2 startup. Follow the instructions provided by PM2 to execute the necessary command for your operating system. After setting up the startup script, save your process list with PM2 save. To check the status of your running applications, use the command PM2 list. You can also view the logs of your application by using PM2 logs. To stop your application, use PM2 stop app.js. Similarly, to restart your application, run PM2 restart app.js. If you need to delete your application from PM2, use the command PM2 delete app.js. For advanced management, explore additional PM2 commands by accessing the PM2 documentation. Your Node application is now successfully managed by PM2 on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.